Meanwhile, in Target, brief intermission. T-Mobile Tuesday with these free lattes. Y'all know I like my freebies. I have a very interesting eye shape, as you all can see. My lids are small. I'm super hooded, like almost like droopy lidded. So I take my LA Colors, LA Girl Pro, and Toffee, and just buff out this area and keep it smooth. I find out my best eyeshadow looks come from when I keep this area clean. So I don't like to drag color all the way up to my brow bone. Now going in with the color called Daring in this Infatuated palette. And just pop that on that part of the hooded lid. And that way the droopiness, it looks open, now, so to speak. Oranges, cranberries, pinks in my creases. I love you all. I try to get away from these colors, but I just always end up coming back. They have a beautiful purple in this palette. Look at that purple. I don't know if y'all can get the gist of it, but it's called Retro. And we want to take Retro in the outer V and just tap it on. So if you're into cut crease looks, but you're hooded, and not really knowing how you can do these looks, you can. Because what I do with my deep color like the purples, I'm going to keep this just on the outside. There will be no need for me to drag it all the way in. And the reason why is because, you know how traditionally you do like this and you look up and you cut your crease? I don't like how that looks on me, because my lid is so low. I like to cut just on my lid and leave it at that. So super droopy eyes, can you get a cut crease? Yeah. Do you have to cut it all the way up to the guards? No. And so you still see the purple peeking through. But you want to pack it on and make sure it got that pigment. And what I find that I love lately also are mattes on the lids. So I'm showing y'all this palette with hopes of scoring another one by way of gift cards and just seeing what Target has on sale. Don't need to go through all that scientific skill of cutting it. I mean, if your eyelids can stand it, then it can stand it. Mine, she can't. This NYX white paint pot. These are like foolproof, but at the same time, they're not really the best. They could move around on you. But again, I'm not going to carry that up to the Fare Thee Well stage. We're going to drop that low right here on the lid. And we're going to stop right there. It's all cut. I'm taking a flat shader brush by MUA, which is at CVS. And we just going to pack on that matte pink just like that. Now this matte pink I've used before, but unlike some others, it doesn't stay in the eye really bad. But just know, if you get any palette that's like really colorful and the colors are pigmented, you're going to get some kickback. That's just normal. But I will say, for this palette to be affordable, I didn't get as much kickback, or about the same as I would with the Urban Decay Coin, and still come up with a good look. So I'm all up into the rim of that crease, packing on that pink. And versus doing this, I would normally have to bring that up all the way here. But like I said, with low lids, when I go to open my eyes, I don't like the look of it. I'd rather have my pop of color sitting on the outside than in here. And just like that, she is smooth, she is matte. Here's the purple, here's the orange. She is done. Put on some mascara, lash, full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so on this side of town at this Target, they're more black girl, black guy friendly with the makeup. But the trip is, I'm trying not to make it a wash because they don't have Profusion here, which is surprising. But they got other things. But I'm going to get the matte ambition stuff, so it's not all going to be a waste. And let me show y'all how to get it. Often I hear, I don't have coupons, but if you have a Target, you can do this. So we're going to grab 6 Olay products, okay? We're going to break these up into 2 transactions, 3 each. Spend $15, get $5 in a gift card right back. Olay is $5.49. Use the cartwheel, is going to come to $3.82. Then the $2 off coupon is going to come to $1.82, you all. $1.82 times 3. And then I'm going to go back with a $5 gift card that I previously had to cut into all of that.
which made my Olay free, and then I got a $5 gift card right back. You're going to do that for the second transaction as well. When it's all done, you're going to end up with $10 in gift cards.
Okay, so something interesting happened. Besides grabbing other highlighters, blush, and contour kits, I just realized I can blush, contour, highlight out of this one palette. This color called Tease is brown enough to contour with. You can go light, you can go heavy. These pinks can be blushes, and these iridescent colors can be highlighted. Contour brush by Real Techniques here, which by the way, I love Real Techniques because you know, being a drugstore diva, these are some of the products you can get for free. So going, yes. Okay, Profusion. Yes. Okay. This brown eyeshadow is blush. I got a Real Techniques blush brush. Let's go into the color Go Girl. Go Girl and Jive. Jive is that popping pink that I have on my eyes. So, yeah. So I love that I can get multiple uses out of one product, because you got to think about it. When we buy a blush palette, do we use that whole palette like in months? A smaller elf brush. We're going to do Rush and Dizzy, which is like iridescent pink. Yeah. Okay, come through Profusion.
Ran me $8.99 plus tax, which I'll put a copy of the receipt here. I used my red card. I got 5% off of that. There was no cartwheel on CoverGirl this week. I did have a $2 off manufacturer coupon, making me use my $10 I had in gift card, and I paid $6 in change, and I still have a little money left to spare, which I like that because I can roll that into next week's transaction, you all. So I didn't find Profusion, but the makeup, contour, highlight, all that's still holding up good, and I will see y'all on the next ride with me, save with me.